Guys, what's up? It's GG Diego. I'm back with another video. So what we'll be talking about today, the meaning of GG Diego. So Diego. So the last part of it, Diego, like go Diego go from Dora, cause that's my middle name. So the two G's, the first G is ghetto, the second G means guy, so ghetto guy. So it means ghetto guy Diego. And then yeah, that's it. A ghetto guy Diego. And also comment down a video idea below, and then I'll do the video idea, because I don't have no video ideas to do right now. And also I will start making longer videos in a future video. So yeah, we'll start making longer videos and uploading more. So make sure to hit that like button, and you know what to do till next time. Stay cool. And yeah, that's all I had to say for this video. So see you in the next video.